when sketching fruits. Line direction is a very important technique. By arranging the lines properly, we can better express the structure, volume, and light-shadow changes of the fruit. Today, we will explain how to arrange the line directions when sketching fruits. Firstly, the direction of the lines should align with the basic structure and shape of the fruit. For example, an apple is usually round, so we need to arrange the lines according to the apple's roundness. The lines should flow along the curves of the fruit to enhance its three-dimensional feel. Secondly, when drawing the light and shadows of the fruit, the direction of the lines becomes particularly important. When depicting smooth surfaces, the lines should transition softly and smoothly, avoiding rigid lines. For shadow areas, the lines can be closer together, with more defined directions, to emphasize the depth and layers of the shadow. When arranging the lines, we can also use the density of the lines to represent changes in light and dark. Lighter areas can have more spaced out lines with lower density, while darker areas require closer, heavier lines to express depth. Lastly, the rhythm of the lines is very important when drawing fruits. Maintaining the smoothness and rhythm of the lines can make the entire composition more harmonious. Avoid stiff or repetitive lines, as they can make the fruit appear rigid. By arranging the lines properly, you can make the fruit sketch look more realistic and vibrant, while also showcasing the fruit's texture and light shadow effects.